Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going, let's say further that I built this Anomavision library or let's say package from the code into my machine to away that to the Python index, Python package index, which is called pypi, this one here, this website. And then I will try to show you how to install, use it with a single command pip install Anomavision as the other, let's say, packages. By end of this session, I will you will know how to build, publish, and also test locally with let's say import package. So I will just show you why it's how to do things. And Anomavision is a tiny, efficient package for anomaly detection, easy to install, zero let's say friction API, and also ready to drop it in your pipeline. So I will show you now how to do stuff. So let me just go to the Python code. So here's this is my code. Let me move this, and let's see. This is my package here. I have changed this to here. You can see Anodot, and this one here Anomavision, and I have did a big change now. So I will just show you. Now I would like to build a package. So let me just show you how to do stuff with Beauty. Just see build. So after this, it will generate a distribution. Let's see like this. And you can see this is my package here. So now I will push this into the PyPy, and we will see how to use this package in our stuff. So let's see, I have this package here. Now I will push this with this command here. You can see beauty, push, then build, username is token, and the password has to be token. So this is a private one because it's super long, so you will not see the rest of the password. Oops, you can see it here. Perfect. I will delete it after that. So you can see. So now let's have a look if this will be already uploaded. Okay, let's see view. So now here you can see the Anomavision 3.0.10. It's already here, and this is the description that this is a readme that I have. You can also look in this if you would like. If you have, let's say, a question, everything is clear here and let's see, easy to follow. So I will just copy this, and I have already, let's see, another already prepared the example. For that, I will just in the beginning creating, let's see, clear exit clear. So now I have this let's see project which is apart from the Anomavision. You can see it's in a D directory, and it's you can see it, let's see Anomavision. So I will create a just simple environment. I'll just use this command. Most of the time I'm just using for the development I'm using PU3, but because this I just want to make a small test just to show you how things is working. I will just use this. This will create a Python in your directory. So you can see now here I have direct directory. So I will just copy that here, copy the relative path, and put it here just to activate the package, the library. So if you see here, I will just run. Let's see, just try to debug before installing the Anomavision, and you will see here everything is, it won't work. Nothing will be work, but let's see here, debug. Okay, we have to use this my env. Now I can run. So you can see nothing, a torch is not defined. So if I just add, let's see, pip install Anomavision. It will install every dependency in this for the Anomavision. So by the way, keep in mind that this is only support, I mean till now, support package Python version is 3.9. So I will fix this and make it working with different versions. So because this will take a bit time, I will just pause the video and back to you when it's finished. Okay, as you can see here, now if I clear, now I see pip install, everything is here. So I will just close this. Now let me just go to this directory. Maybe I can go to this directory. And as you can see, this directory is in my inf lib site packages Anomavision. So it's not anymore in my directory. So let's now run this code. So you can see I just importing the package. This should be also as well. You can see it's the directory. It's not in my PC. It's in the package itself. Okay, so here's the data loader. This is loading the data, and this is the data loader. Here's the model wrapper, so you can see it's here, which is as well in the package itself. So now let's just try. Okay. I mean the example it's not, let's see, optimized, but it should work. Okay, so let's see here, test images. I will just see the packages itself. Okay, let me just continue. I just would like to show you the expected result, because here I have also the, let me just close this env. So I have here also the model. So when I say load the model, you can see where's the model, loading the yeah, let's see. So you have to put it in a new directory. This is, let's see how things is working. So now let me just somehow creating that. I will now jump to this, so we can see the result. So it's treating exactly as in Anomavision program. So this is how the things is working, and you don't need, let's say, to clone the repo. You just need to pip install Anomavision. Sometimes you might have let's see warning. It's like a red warning, but just do the installation once again, and everything will be let's see clean. Okay, I just wanted to say something. Maybe I just forgot. Okay, I think that's it for publishing and utilizing the Anomavision from the pypi. So you can see this is the latest version, and you might need to use it, or maybe you can just use the, if you would like a development stuff. So let's see here, just cloning the not this branch. I'm still working on my migrating to this branch here, migrate to Anomavision. And maybe one hint here, maybe before I just close this, if you see here, sometimes I need a look. Let's see, just copy both. Let me close this. This is my Anomavision. Sometimes you would like to have some looks. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. but let's say it's from info. No, sorry, clean. This is already imported. No, it's not imported before, so I'll just remove these. I will say here info. So if you would like to have the logs from the of the anomaly, let's see, I will just show you how it is working. So you have to add this, and you can see enable the log level is info, and maybe if you would like to have it in a log file. So we will see if this is working. As you can see, this is a log, and I will just make sure that the log folder, yeah, it's here. If you add, let's see, if you have, let's say, a bug, or maybe you have unexpected result, you just need to add this log. So this will log everything that is, let's see, atlas needed. And maybe you can also add this debug if you would like more information. Debug. So as you know, so we have debug, info, warning, errors, and yeah, errors. And the debug, it means anything above it will be also show. Debug, info, error, everything will be showing. If you have info, level info, debug won't be released. Let's say won't be showing. And that's, I think, you know this information. I think that's it for today. And if you have any question, just drop it down in the comment below. I will definitely answer it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.